Hey guys, we're going to look at this kit. This is from Zone Off-Road. This is a 1.25" leveling kit for a Canyon in Colorado and ZR2 15 and newer. So let's take a look at this Zone Off-Road leveling kit. The first thing I noticed about this Zone Off-Road leveling kit was the packaging. It's really cool that it was all packaged nice and tight and nothing was damaged when I opened it. First thing I want to talk about are these top strut mount spacers. These are laser cut and E-coated for a durable and clean appearance. And over here is your instruction sheet along with your bolt pack with all the necessary hardware to get this installation done. These kits are designed to work with your factory suspension to level the stance out front to back, to provide bigger tire clearances and to keep your ride quality the same. Also, Zone is backed with the Factory Protection Plus warranty. If you want to learn more about this kit, go to zoneoffroad.com, where we have our new apparel line like this t-shirt and this hat. And if you want to stay up to date, go to our social media and I'll see you around.